just take it? Should I just take it up with me?
If you want. It's
It's gonna be hard to pull it up too, though. Might be
Yeah.
easier to.
True. I mean, if you go up there, set the block, I can pull it up for you.
True. Should I
On the
do
ring
that?
line or something.
Do you want my lanyard then?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, I'll try and go up and push it. Okay, you ready?
Yeah. Watch yourself when it's
Yeah, you can let it run a little bit. No, that was good.
Yeah.
Watch your shed, watch your shed. Beauty. Yeah. Nice. Ooh. Beauty. Sick. Thanks. What do you think? 2 more on this lead? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, one's way too big. Thanks. Nice. Beauty. Beauty. Didn't land flat, but landed in the right spot. Try it. Woo! Alright. Never pulled up a rock before.
Never set up a rock before.
Back to the Stone Age. This is how they did tree work back in the day.
So they still do it.
Huh?
So they still do it in the third world countries.
True. Hey!
It's coming. Wait till we move that real quick.
Okay. Try that. Oh.
You see the snow go right past my camera?
Wow. You got one? Yeah. Where is it landing? We would still have to move maybe that log and this one. But I'll help you when I come down. That's pretty. It's not going to hit the wire above you though? No. Alright.
Come down like here.
Alright. 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 Huh? I'm coming down and I'm not coming back up.
You can come see it yourself.
I believe you.
Do you think it's gonna what?
I think it's gonna fit.
Oh yeah.
It's gonna be so awkward with the fence. All right. Okay, I don't know if that's gonna go, but we can try.
Or you can try, I don't know. I don't know if it's gonna budge at all.
Just can't rock it.
I mean, it's snapping.
Yeah.
It's gonna be hard.
If we're rocking it really slowly.
Yeah, I don't want to put that. I heard it crack a little bit. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Woo! Right on the money.
Not the nicest notch I've ever seen, but it worked.
We'll keep the notch out of the picture. Get a nice photo.
Yeah, I'll go right here and you go at the base there. It fit. You too.
Oh yeah. Right. Look, right where I said.
Are you serious?